What's going on, everyone? You're watching RD Motoring, and hopefully today I will be fixing the Corvette. The replacement part, the master cylinder, finally came in. We're gonna install it today. I don't know if it's actually gonna fix it or not, but I am crossing my fingers that it works. If you missed my last video explaining what happened, I'll link it right up here, but basically my clutch pedal went completely dead. I had zero clutch engagement. After looking online for some time, I narrowed it down to where I think it's the master cylinder. So, like I said, today I'm gonna be installing it. If it doesn't work, then I'm out of ideas and I'll have to go back to the drawing board. Without further ado, we'll just jump right into it. Hope you enjoyed the video. So the clutch pedal basically has no resistance and it just pulls to the floor with the assist spring. So if you even put a little bit of pressure on it, the spring will catch and it'll just go all the way down. Obviously, if you pull it back up, it'll just do the same thing and it'll stay up because of that spring. There is no actual hydraulic resistance from the master cylinder anymore. All right, let's see if I have clutch pedal. Goes down, comes right back up. Yes, awesome. Great. All right, let's take a look down here. Yeah, now you see that? That's how a clutch pedal is supposed to work. So it really wasn't terrible with what we had to do. Basically, all we had to do was jack it up, take off the wheel, remove this inner fender plastic, just to get our hands up in there to get to the end of the master cylinder. Unclip it from the clutch in the inside of the car, just pull a pin, pull it out where it leads to the sleeve, and then up in the engine bay, just pull this reservoir straight out. So this is the master cylinder assembly. This is the end that actually connects to your clutch pedal. If you pull this apart, let's see if I can do this with one hand here. There we go. In there, there's supposed to be a rubber seal with a cap that keeps the pressure, and that is no longer connected and fell apart in there. Very tiny, very simple piece that fell apart and basically rendered this car useless. Nice. So I'd normally say to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, but how about for this one, we like and subscribe for the sake of repair bills. Take care, everyone.